Today I worked on this 2019 Toyota Highlander, and this was rather large damage, very sharp damage on the lower body line with 3 soft dents and buckles on the top body line. So this damage was actually more complicated to repair than I anticipated because of that lower body line being so sharp. And unfortunately, I didn't find out till after the fact that the lower body line had a small crack in the paint, and I didn't want to make the damage worse by spreading that crack up higher, so I had to really take my time to repair this one. And I did not get 100% results, but I did get an acceptable repair, and this is actually a leased vehicle that the customer was just trying to improve the damage so that when they return it in a couple of years, it won't be a much larger repair for them at the body shop. So typically they would have to repaint this whole fender, possibly replace it if they couldn't repair it, and then blend that same panel out a few different panels because it's a pearl white metallic. Very expensive and very difficult repair, very difficult to match. So a lot of the damage popped right out. That's no surprise on damage like this, but you're left with that smaller damage and the tighter damage, and the rest of that took about 4 hours to repair, and then probably another half an hour or so to remove and reinstall the interior fender liner as well as the exterior trim piece, and then polish the scratches that were on the exterior as well. So this vehicle was repaired. It was dropped off in the morning and picked up in the afternoon. Customer was very happy with the results, and it was actually better than what they had expected. I, trying to always be as perfect as I can on the repair, I was not thrilled with the lower body line, but really, if you didn't know it was there, you would never seen it. And for this customer, it was just since it was a lease return and they really don't need it to be 100% as you're allowed to have small imperfections, it worked out perfect for them. Ended up saving them a lot of money and saving them the hassle of losing their car for a week as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you do like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below as well. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please do that. I am trying to grow this channel, and every little bit helps. Appreciate it so much.
Where the four winds meet, I'll be waiting for you. I wait till morning shows its dazzling blue. If you ain't coming, I hear the road are spraying, making the show. The butterflies in my heart, it's time to let them go. They don't belong here anymore. After all this lonesome traveling, tell me happy to be back home, but it just leaves me thinking all the places I like to roam. After all this lonesome traveling, then I'll be happy to be back home. But it just leaves me thinking, all the places I'd like to roam. If you ain't coming, I hit the road alone. I hit the road alone.
And here's the outcome. Really good repair given the damage. Ever so slight little bit of wave into it, and the smallest little mark right below the lower body line, kind of hidden by the trim a little bit. So I was happy with it overall. Again, I always try to get it as good as I can, but there are limits. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the thumbs up button. Really appreciate it.